Hello and welcome YouTube. Um, how are you? Long time. Um, Today we gonna do unboxing uh, for something just came in. Um, Actually, this one is Asus Zenfone 6 edition 30. So Asus released or has released Zenfone 6 back in May, and based on Asus announcement, they just released this phone in some other different countries, and in the United States they just have the phone in the market a couple months ago. But there is another version just released last month. It's called Asus Zenfone 6 edition 30. So what's the difference between Asus Zenfone 6 versions? So there are multiple versions for Zenfone 6. Starts with 6 gig of RAM with a 64 gig internal storage, and 8 gig of RAM with 128 gig storage, and 8 gig of RAM with 256 gig storage. But the edition 30 is completely different specs. I mean, not completely different, but very much bigger than the other versions. So this one has a 12 gig of RAM and 512 gig of storage. So this one with the processor Snapdragon 855 and 512 gigabyte internal storage, as well as the RAM 12 gig. So 12 gigabyte for the RAM and the storage. Actually, the camera is one of the greatest camera probably in the market for this year, 2019. The camera is amazing and has a great feature. I haven't seen this camera on any other phones. Currently I have Note 9, so I am using Note 9. So I didn't upgrade yet until watching the market, and I was thinking to upgrade to Samsung Note 10, but unfortunately I changed my mind about the Samsung Note 10 because one of the reasons it's not supported to use any headphones. So it doesn't come with a 3.5mm jack. So you have to have a Bluetooth, which is very much most of the people they use a Bluetooth currently, but sometimes you need to use your headphones when you do some work, you know. But Note 10, it's not what I'm looking for at the moment. But let's do unboxing for Asus Zenfone 6 edition 30, and let's see what's in the box. So it just came in today. Actually was delivered when I was at work, but now let's see what is inside this one. Okay, so this one is the invoice, and this one is the phone. All right, let's see. Anything? Nothing in the box. Okay, so this is done. All right, so let's put the box down here for a second. Okay, now, so Asus celebrates 30 years. So this is Asus. It's right here. So it's right here. This one. It's Asus 30 years anniversary. Okay, so let's check. Okay. All right. So this is a great one. Okay, and make sure I bought this one actually from Asus website. I was looking for some other places like Amazon, B&H, some other electronic stores, but unfortunately this phone is only available on Asus website. You're not gonna find it on any other store. And one of the greatest thing when you buy the phone from Asus website, it comes with 30 months warranty. So keep that in mind. And also make sure it's sealed. So that means it's 100% a brand new. It's not refurbished, it's not used, it's only a brand new. Let's do unboxing for this guy. All right. One of the other greatest feature for the camera, it is 48 megapixel. It's a flip camera. Let's do unboxing and see how is the camera. Okay. All right. Let's see what's inside the box. All right. Nice packaging. It's a great one. All right, let's do this. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, hard to open this one. Okay, hold on a sec. I'm trying to figure out how to open this guy. Okay. You must slide this one, but there we go. Sorry. All right. Okay. Come on, baby. Here we go. So let's do this one here. You see, it's a Zenfone 6 Edition 30. All right. So this is, all right, the top cover. All right. And the box is great. It's actually nice packaging. Okay. Let's see now. All right. Oh. There we go. All right. So that's the one I just mentioned early today. That is celebrating 30 years of Asus. So this is the Asus 30 months warranty card. So it's already registered when you buy it. When you buy the phone online from Asus website, it's automatically gonna be registered to your account. So it comes with a 30 months warranty. Okay. So there is something very cool here. So it says, dear Asus customer, thank you for purchasing this limited edition 30 anniversary product, which is very much, it's called Asus Zenfone 6 Edition 30. All right. So this is the warranty card, which is very much such a nice card. All right, this is the phone. I'm gonna keep it here for a second and let's see what else in the box, okay? Okay, let's do great unboxing. All right, and put it here. Okay, what else here? Oh, all right. So SIM card ejector. So this comes with this box. Okay, and let's open here, see what else. Nice, perfect. All right, so it comes with user guide. That's pretty much a standard guide for any product. It comes with a user guide here. And what is this? It's just like a okay, so this is the warranty information here. So that's gonna tell you how to get your 30-month warranty. Okay, and that's cool one. It comes with a crystal clear case. That's a nice one. Yeah, that's cool. Comes with a free case. That's a crystal clear case. All right, let's put it here for a second. All right, and as you know, SIM card ejector. Okay, let's see. This is small box. I'm sure it's cable or it's a data cable. No, I'm wrong. It comes with the headphones. Okay, nothing here. All right, so it comes with the headphones. Oh, such a nice headphones. Okay, and with extra some earbuds. Depends on the size. Some people they have like a small ears or big ear, so you can that's a replacement earbud. And this is the charger. I'm 100%. Yes, I'm correct. So this is the charger. It comes with a USB Type-C cable. That's a nice cable. Okay, I like USB Type-C. All my phones are USB Type-C now. And this is the block. So let's see the block in. Alrighty, it is. Alright, so it can't be used anywhere. Alright, so perfect. Yeah, it works on 100 to 240 volts, 50-60 hertz. This is a rapid charger, faster charger. Okay, perfect. And it has an Asus logo as well. All right, so this is the charger and the cable. All right, let's see what else here. Okay, nothing. All right, so we are done on this stuff here. Okay, and this is the phone. It's very much, I think, let me take off the case from Note 9 so I can compare the weight. I can't say identical, but very much close. I know this Zenfone 6 weight is 190 grams. It's a little bit close to Note 9. Okay, so that's it. And okay, here we go. All right, awesome. Okay, let's peel this off. Here we go. Whoa, that is fantastic phone. Whoa, that is amazing phone. It's fantastic. So this is the camera. It is 48 megapixel. So it's a flip camera. So when you just open the camera or the camera app, it's gonna be automatically flip up. And when you close the app or you close the camera app, it's automatically gonna flip down. So let's see. On this side, we have only microphone and only the camera. And on this side, we have the tray that is, oh, by the way, so this phone uh, dual SIM card. Okay, so this comes, or this phone supports 2 SIM cards. So if you have 2 lines, let's say you have one line with T-Mobile and the other line with AT&T. So yes, you don't carry 2 phones now. So you're gonna carry only one phone, has dual SIM card, which is amazing, great. And also on the same tray, you can put micro SD card. So this phone supports up to 2 TB micro SD card. All right. And what else on this side? Nothing. On the bottom side here, we have a 3.5mm jack for the headphones, which is very much comes with the phone, as you see here. And also that is a USB Type-C charger, and there is a speaker. Okay, and there is a microphone here, and on the other side here there is a power button, and there is a volume rocker, like up and down volume. And this one, I think this is the camera button. I'm not quite sure, but I guess it's a camera button. So you can just push it and you got a camera. All right, on the back side, on the back side here, you see the camera comes with dual camera, 48 megapixel with LED flashlight, and the sensor. Let's see the sensor, how it can. Wow, that is a great sensor. It's very much fits with my finger. Let's compare this one with the Note. Yeah, with the Note 9, you see that is very much a little bit taller, I think, but this one is great. Fits on your finger. Beautiful. That is beautiful. I love it. Okay, so yeah, I like that logo. That's a Asus logo here. Okay, and yeah, let's check the size. So as you know, Note 9 is a little bit taller. Okay, Asus display or screen is 6.4 inches, so diagonal. So 6.4 inches compared with the Note 9. That is very much cool screen. That is very much everything I have today about unboxing Asus Zenfone 6 Edition 30, 12 gig RAM and 512 gigabyte storage. So I will do another video after using the phone for a couple days or maybe 3 days. So I will put another I will do another video, a review about how is the phone, and my first impression and my first feeling when I get this amazing phone. So yeah, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Put your comments, and if you have any question, please feel free to contact me. And thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Have a great night. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Thanks.